study entitled of the relationship between peer influence and alcoholism among the youth. Introduction. This chapter presents the rationale of the study, conceptual framework, statement of the problem, and significance of the study. It introduces the central focus of the research, which examines the relationship between peer influence and alcoholism among the youth. Adolescence is a critical development stage characterized by increased social interaction, identity formation, and susceptibility to internal influence. During this period, peers often play a dominant role in shaping attitudes, behaviors, and decision-making process. As youth spend more time with friends and social groups, they may adopt behaviors that are perceived as acceptable or encouraged within their peer environment, influencing alcohol consumption. Alcoholism among the youth has become a growing social and public health concern due to its negative effect on physical health, academic performance, family relationship, and overall well-being. Studies suggest that peer pressure, social acceptance, and the desire to belong significantly contribute to early alcohol initiation and continued drinking behavior. Research further indicates that adolescents who perceive drinking as normative among peers are more likely to increase their alcohol consumption over time. Understanding how peer influence affects alcohol use is essential in developing effective prevention strategies and intervention programs. By examining this relationship, the study aims to provide valuable insight that may help educators, parents, community leaders, and policymakers address the underlying social factors contributing to youth alcoholism and promote healthier behavioral changes among young individuals. Rationale of the study. Alcohol consumption among the youth remains a growing concern, particularly in small communities where social relationships are closely connected in Barangay San Pedro, Domingan, Zamboanga, and Store. Adolescents frequently interact within diaper groups, making them more susceptible to social influence. At this development stage, young individuals often seek acceptance and belongings, which may lead them to adopt behaviors practiced within their circle of friends. Studies have shown that association with peers who consume alcohol significantly increases the likelihood of youth drinking and the development of problematic alcohol use. In many Filipino communities, including rural barangays, alcohol is commonly present during social gatherings, celebrations, and informal group activities. This accessibility may contribute the normalization of drinking among youth people. When peers within the barangay engage in alcohol consumption, other youth may feel pressured to participate in order to maintain social inclusion. Research indicates that Filipino adolescents who perceive drinking as common among peers are more likely to engage in alcohol use themselves. Despite the presence of border, national and international studies, limited research has specifically examined the relation between peers influence and alcoholism among youth in Barangay San Pedro, Domingan, Zamboanga, and Store. Understanding this relationship at the barangay level is important because local social dynamics may differ from those in urban settings. By identifying how peer influence affects alcohol consumption within this community, the findings may assist barangay officials, parents, and educators in developing target prevention and intervention programs. This study, therefore, aims to provide visualized evidence that may contribute to reduce youth alcoholism in Barangay San Pedro. Conceptual framework. This study is anchored on national and local government policies that regulate alcohol access and promote youth welfare. One of the primary legal foundations relevant to this research is the Public Act number 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 26 rather, which emphasizes the protection of children from harmful behavior and environment. Additionally, Republic Act number 7610, or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act, safeguards minors from conditions that may endanger their development, including substance exposure. Independent variable peer influence and dependent variable frequency of alcohol consumption being drinking behavior, alcohol dependence indicators. Statement of the problem. Alcohol consumption among the youth has become a concern in Barangay San Pedro Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur, particularly due to strong social connections within the community. Peer groups play a vital role in influencing adolescents' behavior, which may contribute to different patterns of alcohol use, guided by existing LGU policies and youth development programs. This study aims to examine how peer influence affect various dimensions of alcoholism among the youth. Specifically, this research seeks to determine the relationship between peer influence and selected indicators of alcoholism. Specifically, this study endeavors to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the demographic profile of the respondent in terms of 1.1 age, 1.26 and 1.3 educational attainment? Number 2, what is the level of alcoholism among youth in terms of 2.1 frequency of alcohol consumption, 2.2 binge drinking behavior, and 2.3 alcohol dependence indicators. Number 3, how does peer pressure significantly influence alcoholism among the youth in Barangay San Pedro, Zamboanga del Sur? Youth students. This study may help you understand how peer influence affect their alcohol consumption and decision making, encouraging them to resist negative pressures and make healthier choices. Parents and guardians. The findings may help parents recognize the strong role of peer group in shaping adolescents' behavior and strengthen their guidance and supervision strategies at home. Educators and school administrators. The results may assist school in developing preventive education programs and seminars that address peer influence and alcohol misuse among students. Healthcare professionals. Findings may help healthcare providers identify peer-related risk factors for alcohol use and strengthen early prevention and counseling efforts. Non-governmental organizations and youth organizations. The research may support NGOs in creating peer-led awareness campaigns and mentorship programs to prevent youth alcoholism. Law enforcement agencies. The study will provide insight into underage drinking patterns, helping authorities improve enforcement and community-based prevention efforts.
Research methodology study employ descriptive quantitative research science to determine the degree of peer influence and to assess the level of alcoholism among the youth in Barangay San Pedro, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur. The descriptive methods was used to obtain factual, accurate, and systematic data from respondents regarding their experience with peer influence and alcohol consumption behaviors. While the quantitative approach enabled the researcher to analyze and interpret numerical data using abstract statistical tools. This design was deemed appropriate as it provided measurable insights into how peer influence contributes to the frequency of alcohol consumption behaviors. Research respondents. The respondents of a study consist of 50 youth residing in Barangay San Pedro Zamora Sur. These respondents were selected to represent adolescents within the community who are exposed to peer group interaction and social environments where alcohol consumption may occur. A simple random sampling technique was employed to ensure that its eligible youth had equal opportunity to participate in the study. The sample size of 50 respondents was considered adequate to provide reliable and representative data for statistical analysis. This number allowed the researcher to obtain measurable insight into the relationship between peer influence and alcoholism among the youth in the barangay. Something beside. The researcher utilized a stratified random sampling technique, ensure balanced representation from Barangay San Pedro, Dumia, Zamora del Sur. The youth population was divided into three tetra based on location, and respondents were randomly selected proportionally from the area. The total sample size of 50 respondents was determined using solving formula at a 0.5 margin of error and 95% confidence level, ensuring statistical reliability and representativeness of the findings. Research instrument. The primary instrument for data collection will be a structured survey questionnaire. The questionnaire will be divided into two parts. First part 1, demographic profile, age, sex, educational attainment. Part 2, alcoholism indicators, which includes frequency of alcohol consumption, drinking behavior, and alcohol dependence indicators. Statistical treatment of data. Weight mean, the weight means used to determine the alcoholism among the youth in terms of what is the level of alcoholism among the youth in terms of 2.1 frequency of alcohol consumption, 2.2 drinking behavior, and 2.3 alcohol dependence indicators. Number 3, how does peer pressure significantly influence alcohol among the youth in Barangay San Pedro, Dumina, Zamora del Sur? Each item was measured using a 4-point Likert scale with the following numerical values: 4 strongly agree, 3 agree, 2 disagree, and 1 strongly disagree. For the part 2, skills range 3.36 to 4, always very high, 2.51 to 3.25 often high or high, 1.76 to 2.80 really or low, 1 to 1.75 neighbor or very low.
So these are presentation, data analysis, and interpretation. So table 1.1, demographic profile includes the age. So the table shows that the majority of respondents are within the 22 to 24 age group, accounting for 22 individuals or 44%. Followed closely by those aged 18 to 21 with 21 respondents, so 42%. While a smaller portion belongs to the 25 years and above category, with 5 respondents or 10%. And the least represented group is the 15 to 17 age bracket with only 2 respondents of 4% overall. This indicates that study is predominantly composed of young adults aged 18 to 24, making up 86% of the total respondents, and therefore the findings mainly reflect the perspectives of individuals within this age range. And the table 1.2 includes the demographic profile sex. So the table shows the respondents are male, comprising 41 individuals, and while the female has 9. So the biggest percentage is the male. So suggesting that the findings of the study are largely reflective of the perspectives and experiences of male respondents. Table 1.3 demographic profile includes the educational attainment. So, the table shows majority of respondents have attained some level of college education but have not yet graduated, comprising 29 individuals rather, or 58% of the total sample, followed by the college graduates with 80 respondents or 36%, as follows with high school diploma, 3 frequency and 6%, and no high school diploma is none. And part 2, level of alcoholism, table 2, frequency of alcohol consumption. So this is the scale used, 4.9 scale, every day, twice a week, once a week, and occasional. So the lowest is occasional, the highest is every day. So table 2A shows that respondents have a very high level of alcohol consumption and weighted mean scores ranging from 3.26 to 3.44, all interpreted as always. And item A2 recorded the highest mean, followed by A5, while A4 had the lowest, through still within the same category. Overall weighted mean of 3.37 indicates that respondents repeatedly consume alcohol, suggesting a consistent pattern of habitual drinking among the youth in the study. So part 2, table 2, binge drinking behavior. So scale use is always, often, rarely, and never. The lowest is never and the highest is always. So this table indicates that respondents exhibits high to very high levels of binge drinking behavior, with weighted mean scores ranging from 3.8 to 3.52. And recorded the highest mean, while B5 at the lowest, through still interpreted as high. The overall mean of 3.38 always suggests that respondents frequently engage in binge drinking, indicating that excessive alcohol consumption over a short period is a common behavior in the study. The last one in the part 2 table is alcohol dependence indicators. The Likert scale used always, often, rarely, and never, same as the table 2B. This table shows that respondents have a very high level of alcohol dependence, with weighted mean scores ranging from 3.26 to 3.15, all interpreted as always. Item C1 recorded the highest mean, while C3 had the lowest. Overall weighted mean of 3.37, as indicates always. The respondents consistently exhibit signs of alcohol dependence, suggesting a serious concern regarding addiction-related behaviors among the youth. The last table is peer pressure. Scale use, strongly agree, disagree, and strongly disagree. The lowest is strongly disagree, and the highest is strongly agree. Table 3 shows that peer pressure has high to very high influence on respondents' alcohol consumption with weighted mean scores ranging from 3.16 to 3.44. Item Q6 recorded the highest mean, followed by Q10, Q8, Q9, Q11, and Q13, all indicating very high influence, while Q2 had the lowest but still reflected a high level. Overall weighted mean of 3.91 strongly agree, suggests that respondents generally perceive peer pressure as a significant factor shaping their drinking behaviors, indicating a very high influence of peers on youth alcoholism. Summary. This study was conducted to determine the relationship between peer influence and alcoholism among the youth in Barangay San Pedro, Domingos, Samoa del Sur, using a descriptive, quantitative design with 50 respondents and a structured questionnaire addressed through frequency, percentage, and weighted mean. And the findings. This study found the most respondents were aged 22 to 24 years old, predominantly male, 82%, and largely college graduates, 58%. In terms of alcoholism, the results revealed very high levels across all indicators, with weighted means of 3.27 for frequency of alcohol consumption, 3.38 for binge drinking behavior, and 3.27 for alcohol dependence, indicating irregular drinking, frequent binge episodes, and signs of difficulty in controlling alcohol use. Additionally, peer pressure showed a very high influence, with an overall weighted mean of 3.31, suggesting that respondents generally agree that their peers significantly affect their alcohol-related behaviors. Conclusions. The study concludes that respondents are primarily young, adult males engaged in higher education, making them highly exposed to peer interactions and social activities. Finding shows that the level of alcoholism among the youth is very high, with weighted means of 3.37 for alcohol consumption frequency, 3.38 for binge drinking behavior, and 3.37 for alcohol dependence indicators. Peer pressure also exerts very high direct influence, weighted mean 3.31, indicating that social factors can shape drinking behaviors. Nag-get pa? Overall, the results confirm that peer influence contributes to increased alcohol use, highlighting the important role of the social environment and pointing to the need for immediate community-level interventions. Nag-gets ba? Recommendations by
Taro nga,
in
what?
light defining,
I-video biya ka.
it is recommended that youth develop self-awareness and decision-making skills to resist negative peer pressure and engage in alternative activities such as sport, community programs. Parents and guardians should strengthen supervision, maintain open communication, and educate their children about the risk of alcohol and peer influence. Schools and educators are encouraged to implement alcohol awareness programs and peer resistance training, as well as conduct seminars on the effects of alcoholism. So these are